Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey there, fellow chief. Want to take your Clash of Clans clan to the next level? Creating a Discord server is absolutely the best way to do it. It provides a central hub for all your clan activities, from coordinating epic war attacks to simply sharing funny moments. Imagine having everything organized, easily accessible, and keeping your clanmates connected even when they's offline. It just makes clan life so much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone involved. Okay, let's get your server set up. It's super simple. Just open Discord, and on the left side, you'll see a big plus sign. Click that to add a new server. Then pick Create My Own and select for a club or community. This template works great for clans. Finally, give your server a name, something clear and related to your clan, perhaps your clan name HQ or the Co-C Zone. That makes it easy for members to find and recognize, and you're already off to a great start. Now, let's set up some channels to keep everything organized. Think about what your clan needs. You'll definitely want a general chat, maybe an announcements channel, and a war strategy channel for planning attacks. Don't forget text channels for sharing base layouts or friendly challenges. Voice channels are also key for live war discussions or just hanging out. You can even create a rules channel right at the top, ensuring everyone understands the guidelines from the moment they join your awesome server. Roles are vital for managing your server. They help you control who can do what. Start by creating roles like leader, co-leader, elder, and member. You can then assign specific permissions to each role, perhaps giving co-leaders the ability to manage channels, while members might only be able to chat. This keeps your server secure and orderly. You could even set up an unverified or new recruit role for people joining, giving them limited access until they are confirmed clan members. It's all about smooth clan management. Finally, consider adding some bots to supercharge your server. There are bots that can track war results, manage invites, or even automatically assign roles to new members. They really automate a lot of the heavy lifting. Remember to regularly moderate your server too. Keep it a fun and friendly space for all your clanmates. As your clan grows and changes, don't be afraid to update your server, adding new channels or features. It's an ongoing process that keeps your Clash of Clans community thriving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.